Video has become a dominant force in B2B marketing, captivating audiences and driving engagement. According to LinkedIn's report, 80% of marketers believe video is crucial in their strategy, and 94% plan to increase their investment in video content. From product demos to thought leadership pieces, video allows businesses to connect with their prospect in a more immersive and memorable way. In the age of information overload, personalized marketing experiences have emerged as a game changer. 96% of marketers believe personalization advances customer relationships. By tailoring messages, delivering relevant content, and leveraging data-driven insights, businesses can forge deeper connections with their target audience, resulting in higher conversion rates and customer loyalty. Influencer marketing has proven its value in B2B circles, with 84% of marketers leveraging influencer to expand their reach and build credibility. By collaborating with industry thought leaders and experts, businesses can tap into their established network and gain access to highly engaged audiences. Authentic influencer partnerships can drive brand awareness, generate leads, and elevate the overall reputation of a company. So, what do these trends mean for your B2B marketing strategy? Embracing video content, personalization, and influencer marketing can help you stay ahead of the curve, connect with your target audience, and drive meaningful business results. By adapting to these digital trends, you can unlock new opportunities and build stronger relationships with your prospects and customers. In conclusion, stay informed, be innovative, and leverage these trends to create impactful marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience.